Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stop touch keyboard playing sounds on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to stop touch keyboard playing sounds on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings. And then click on devices. After that, in the left sidebar, click on typing. And now just scroll down and you see here touch keyboard, play key sounds as I type. Click on it to turn it off. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to stop touch keyboard playing sounds on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.